Alright, it's official. After 2 weeks in the apartment, we finally have a fridge! Yes!
The thing works.
During a heat
The water wasn't working.
The water,
You're interrupting the video.
yeah. And that girl's going so well. Take one.
know,
And
right?
you're like, sorry, what?
It was like perfect. Okay, we're just gonna roll with it.
Yeah.
There it is! There's the fridge. Oh, yes. Vanessa's modeling the fridge. It's such, I think we should look inside. Oh, it's even clean.
Yeah. All the way from Surrey Hills by Will, by James.
No.
And I think Anne needs to be in this a bit more, just
I was in the video.
She's really glad because she bought Coke earlier and now I can actually go in the fridge.
Yes, except we
Where's your
drank
Coke
it all.
at? Oh, okay, it's finished. Sorry.
Thanks for letting everyone know that.
now sing. Sing.
We have a fridge.
No. It's my baby. It's my baby.
It's your baby.
It's my baby. I love it.
James, you need to come talk about the fridge really quick, because this is a moment for having
This
all
is
together.
our very furnished apartment. James!
We're in this together.
We are in this together.
This is a 5-star Eurocap rating fridge. Freezer compartment, 2 channels, and then we got the complex unifying defrosting system.
Show us what you brought it on.
No, it's downstairs. I'm tired. I walked all the way up from Surrey Hills.
Yes.
Enough.